First, log in with your credentials. Following that, click on Employees. Click on Add Employee. Click here to refetch new employee ID. If you want to change prefix ABC, go to Settings. After, click here. Click on Edit Company. Here you can change employee ID prefix. After that, click on Save Changes. Click on Employees. Then click on Add Employee. Now click here, it has changed the prefix. Now add personal and contact information of the employee. Click on Select Gender. Click on Select Marital Status. After, click here. Afterwards, click on Select Department. Click on Select Branch. Click on Select Designation. After that, click on Select Shift. Select Employment Type. Now click on Select Manager Optional. Here, if you're an employee doing work out of office, then select Remote, otherwise Office. Select Probation Period. Manage Employee Status here. Set employees as active on while working, and change to inactive right after they leave the company. Enter the gross salary here. The company's CTC will be automatically calculated based on the salary structure defined in the master settings. This process will be explained in a separate video. Here you can enter the employee's bank details. After, click here. Here you can enter the employee's address details. Then click on the element. Here you can enter the employee's emergency contact details. Then click on the element. Here you can enter the employee's additional information like year of experience, qualification, etc. Now click here. Customize tax and deduction settings per employee. To skip a tax like professional tax, just uncheck it. You can also adjust tax slabs here, explained in another video. Then click on Save. Click here to view all saved information here in one place. Click here to close. Here you can filter employees by designation. Here you can filter employees by status. Here you can filter employees by employment type. Click here to edit any employee. Click to view or upload employee documents. Click on Select Type. Once that's done, you can click or drag and drop employee documents here to upload them. View, download, or delete employee documents here as per your requirement. Transform the way you work. The future starts now with Innovative HRMS. Book your free demo or connect with us today.